Mullen stock. I have good news and I have bad news. Which would you like to hear first? Mullen stock is down 50%. And there's a good reason for that. In fact, I'm really sad because I was wrong. I was wrong because I didn't look at this stock despite so many traders I know who are trading it, and I should have looked at it, because if I had looked at it earlier, I would have known to tell everyone to get out of this stock. There was clear signs that Mullen stock was not going anywhere anytime soon, and I regret not being able to warn all the traders, you guys who watch the channel, you guys who are buying this stock, about this stock and how this stock is just not going to work out. Well, first of all, Mullen reported Q4 2022 results showing zero sales despite multiple announcements on vehicle orders. Secondly, the company is building assembly lines to assemble EV vehicles, but it's using Chinese EV parts and designs, right? Not good. You guys recall from my video yesterday on Bed Bath & Beyond stock and how I was selling 100% of Bed Bath & Beyond stock that I started buying ATLX stock, and good news, guys. ATLX stock did double. ATLX stock did double. That's all in the Discord. That's all in the Discord. Are you in the Discord yet? If you're not in the Discord yet, then you must not like making and seeing stocks that are going to double. Because almost every single day we're able to find these stocks that are doubling or tripling. And I'm so happy and proud and grateful that I have a community of traders in the Discord who are supportive, and I support. It's just a great relationship. So if you're not in the Discord already, make sure to join. The link is in the description. But we want to talk Mullen here. Mullen stock, right? Where did Mullen start to go wrong? Because at some point, Mullen started to go wrong. And Mullen stock right now, it went up to about 45 cents, right? Went to about 45 cents, came down to about 34 cents. And then finally, the weakness in the stock, it was just so great with all of this news that Mullen stock traveled all the way down to about 23 cents. So here's the news on Mullen stock. Mullen stock, literally today, Mullen stock, the balance sheet challenges that Mullen stocks are facing are essentially causing share dilution. Share dilution is, by the way, very bad. We don't like it when shares are diluted. It basically means that if you have some lemonade and you pour water in that lemonade, it's not going to be as tasty, right? Well, that's what happened with Mullen stock. We have a lot of dilution of the shares, basically more shares offering in order to make money, in order to raise capital so the company can stay in business. That is a sign of poor health in terms of companies. So that's not good. That's another reason why Mullen stock is down right now. So you want to know why you're losing money on Mullen stock? That's why. That is why Mullen stock has diluted shares, and so investors are selling because they don't want to be part of that. So that's why it's important to be subscribed to the channel so you don't miss updates on stocks like Mullen or other trades that we're taking, because if something changes, if new news comes out, the value of the stock will change as well. Because the stock value, a lot of people think the stock value is just the value of the stock. Like, oh, Tesla, that's valued at $100 and it's just going to stay at $100 all the time. It's like, no, that's not actually the value of the stock. It's not the actual value of the company. Rather, stock prices change based on investor sentiment. Investor sentiment. I want you to remember that term, investor sentiment, because if investor sentiment is good, if it's positive, it's bullish, then investors will push the price of the company up. When investors are in agreement, meaning that they believe, okay, Mullen stock is at 25 cents right now, Mullen stock should stay at 25 cents, they're just going to hold Mullen stock, or they're going to trade Mullen stock back and forth, and the stock is going to go sideways, which is, by the way, what I think is going to happen with Mullen stock in the next few days. But when investors believe that a stock is overvalued, then they will sell Mullen stock, and the Mullen stock value will go down. So if Mullen stock was originally at 45 cents, like we see here, Mullen stock at 45 cents, and investors believe, oh, this stock, yeah, I really don't think that it's worth 45 cents anymore. I think it's worth less now. They will start selling the stock. Okay, they're selling the stock with limit orders, with market orders, usually with market orders because they're aggressive with their trades and they use the algorithms to push the stock down and all of the limit orders that are buying the stock. There's not enough of them. So with that lack of resistance, with that lack of support, should I say, the stock will go down, it'll trend down, and everyone who bought the stock, everyone who owns shares will lose money. And that's the thing about stocks. With stocks, whoever buys the stock at a higher price and the stock goes lower, they lose money. Whoever buys the stock at a lower price and it goes higher, they make money. You guys remember our ATLX trade? ATLX trade? Well, every single trader who bought that stock with me at $10, they made money. They made money, and that's fine. The stock went from $10 to $21. It more than doubled. So that anyone in the free Discord, they made money. But anyone who bought Mullen stock, they are in trouble right now, because if you look at the Mullen stock chart, the top of the chart was 45 cents and the stock is at 23 cents or 24 cents right now. So the only people who are actually making money buying this stock are the people who bought Mullen stock at 23 cents, and they're only making a penny. Okay, they're only making a penny per share. Anyone who bought the stock at 45 cents, they lost 50% of their position. They're losing like half of their money right now. And I don't know how this is okay. I don't know how traders get away with pumping stocks like Mullen, and they go on YouTube and they talk about, oh, buy Mullen stock. I'm buying 1 million Mullen stock right now. They just keep pumping it up with hype. It's hype, but that's what it is though. It's hype. It's just hype. There's no substance to what they're saying. It's just hype. They bring out these fancy numbers about short interest and dark pool activity. They don't actually know what they're talking about. They don't actually know about stocks, high quality stocks like ATLX that we talk about on this channel. The stocks that we traded. The stocks like CVRX. CVRX we called out yesterday. That one's up 15%. CVRX we called out yesterday. It's in the Bed Bath & Beyond video yesterday. We're all making money. We're all making money, but we have to choose the right stocks to trade. We're all making money. We're making 125% in one day off our stock picks, but we have to choose the right trade, right? You have to be informed by the right traders. You can't listen to bad traders and expect to make money. You have to listen to smart professional traders with a consistent track record for success. If I am following a trader and every trade that they tell me has gone to the dumps, and they don't even talk about it, or they make up some excuse, or they pretend like it didn't happen, that is not a good sign. I probably shouldn't be following that trader, right? So that would be my way of looking at it is if somebody you're following continues to give you bad advice, and almost every stock that they tell you to buy, and they tell you to buy and hold it, and you have to average down and it's still not working, that's probably not a good trader, and you probably shouldn't be following them. Almost every stock that we called out on this channel has gone up. AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond, when it squeezed, Bed Bath & Beyond. Today, ATLX. Today, CVRX. Today, ARBE. So many good stocks. So many good stocks, so many winning trades. And that is because, how am I able to find all these winning trades when everyone else is losing money? The market has been really bad actually recently in the past week. How are we able to find these winning trades? Well, it's simple. Because we do our research. Because I do the due diligence for you. Because I know how to read technical charts. I know how to identify when institutions, banks are purchasing a stock. And when banks are purchasing a stock, you bet that stock is going to go up. And that's why so many people in the Discord are making money, and they're happy with me right now because I help them make consistent money. And that's what I do. That's my only job, is to help traders make consistent money. And Mullen stock right now, I wouldn't recommend selling it. I would actually recommend getting out anywhere from 26 cents to 30 cents. Mullen stock, I wouldn't expect it to go up much higher than that. And I also expect this trade to take anywhere from 5 to 10 trading days. But if you follow this rule, you can probably get out of Mullen on a relief rally. Guys, I have a few stocks that I'm trading tomorrow. I will tell you the names of them, but I can't give you the details unless you're part of the free Discord. Those stocks are RBLX, ARBE, LAZR, and of course, I'm also looking at AMAM as well. Guys, thank you for joining this video, and Have an amazing rest of your day. I hope that you take what I said into consideration and you start making money instead of losing it. Have an awesome day. I care about you. I'm looking out for you, and see you in the next video. If you're tired of losing money, if you place trades in the stock market and you just can't seem to win consistently, I have something special just for you. This is the Rocket Trader Pro membership. The Rocket Trader Pro membership will give you everything you need to succeed as a trader in the stock market. You will be side by side with me, taking my trades. I'm telling you where I'm buying and where I'm selling. Additionally, I'm going to walk you through and check in with you personally to make sure you are trading successfully. If you make mistakes, I'm going to find out what those mistakes are and I'm going to correct them for you. This is the one program out there which you can actually say will make you a profitable trader. So if you aren't profitable yet and you're tired of losing money, then join the link below and I'll see you in pro.